Autoremesher is a cross-platform automatic quad remeshing tool that turns high polygon meshes into clean quad-based topology. It relies on several open-source libraries, including Geogram, libigl, and autoremesher, among others. If you want to support the project, consider buying me a coffee for staying up late coding. The project is available on GitHub, where you can find the source code, documentation, and release binaries. Getting started is straightforward. First, you'll need a C++ compiler that supports C++14, such as GCC, Clang, or MSVC. You'll also need Qt version 5.15.2, Intel Threading Building Blocks, TBB, and CMake version 3.12 or newer if you're building on Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, or Debian. To install the required packages, open a terminal and run. Install Qt and build tools. Sudo apt install build essential Qt 5 make base 5 dev tools 5 dev tools libgt 5 svg 5 dev libgt 5 multimedia 5 dev install tbb and opengl sudo apt install libgt dev libgl 1 mesodev clone the repository and build git clone https github huxingyi autoremesher git cd autoremesher make j $. If you're using Fedora, the equivalent command is sudo dnf install gcc c++ qt5 base devel qt5 tools devel tbb devel mesa libgl devel. Windows, Visual Studio 2022. 1. Install Visual Studio 2022 with a desktop development with C++ workload. 2. Install CMake from the official website. 3. Install Qt 5.15. 2. Using the online installer and choose the MSVC 2019-64 archive. 4. Open a x64 native tools command prompt for VS 2022 and run the following commands to build TBB from source. cd third-party tbb make b build 2 capd tbb build shared equals on capd tbb build static equals off capd tbb build malloc equals off capd tbb build malloc proxy equals off capd tbb build tests equals off make build 2 config release cd then build autoremesher itself make spec win32 msvc set cl equals mp make f make file release. The release binary will be located at release autoremesher eggs. Mac OS first install the Xcode command line tools. Xcode select, install, then install the dependencies with Homebrew. Brew install Qt at 5 tbb make. Set the Qt path and build. Export path equals USR local opt Qt at 5/bin, $path git clone https. GitHub huxingyi autoremesher git cd autoremesher make config plus equals SDK no version check make j $, sysclen hw logicalc running a quick test. Autoremesher includes a command line interface for headless processing. To test it, download one of the common 3D test models, such as an armadillo mesh, and run, autoremesher, input armadillo obj, output remeshed obj, report remeshed report.txt, target quads 50,000, edge scaling 1.0, sharp edge 90.0, smooth normal 0.0, and activity 1.0. Quick start binaries. For Windows, download the zip file from the releases page, extract it, and run autoremesher eggs. For Mac OS, download the DMG file from releases. The first time you open it, Mac OS may block it because its integrity cannot be verified. Go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, General, and under Allow Apps downloaded from click the button to allow the application. For Linux, download the app image from releases, make it executable, and run it. chmod plus x.autoremesher version app image.autoremesher version app image. Further resources. You can find several articles and reviews about autoremesher on sites such as CG Channel, ADLV, Blender Nation, and others. The project's GitHub page hosts additional documentation, the license, MIT, and a list of acknowledgements for the libraries and resources used. The full acknowledgements are available in the repository, and the license file is also posted in the GitHub repository.